Siya na natin today. Color black, genuine leather made. Hello, hello, everyone. Today we have a bags, we have a jewelries also. I'm so excited to show you guys what we've got for today's flexing. Hindi na unboxing kasi wala na yung box. So flexing na lang tayo. So let me flex this one first. So yan yung ating parang grabe yung outfit natin to pack. With matching ribbon talaga dyan sa So yan yung Coach natin na bag. Sling siya. Yan. Tapos yung closure niya is ganyan. Pwede mo siyang ganyan. Or, with the strap is adjustable. So, ganyan. So, ganyan siya. So that's our Coach bag to weigh. Ganda yung kulay nito. And then we have this one. Ayan. So we have our bag to weigh. This is genuine leather. Made in Italy, brand is Camellia. And comes with dust cloth. So yan yung brand niya guys. Camellia Roma. And inside has a packet. And has a key. This one is unused. So, yan yung inside. So, yan. Strap is detachable. So, ganyan. And then, ganyan mo pala. Kasi parang mas maganda siya pag ganyan. So, yan. O, diba? Well, ayos pa talaga ako. Diyos ko, akala mo talaga kung saan talaga ako pupunta. Diyos ko, kalmokta. Kasi, ayaw naman kasi guys na wala kang hilamos na mag-ano ng mga jewelries and bags. Tapos, especially sa jewelries, they're so expensive. And then, you're not going to at least exert effort in, make it looking good. Diba? Pero mas kapanipaniwala maka-outfit tayo. So yan ang ating bag na two-way. Color black, genuine leather, made in Italy. And I have another one. Diba? Pocket outside and flap open. This is also Italy. Ayan. Ang ganda nito. Ang brand nito is House of Florence. And it comes with ayan siya. It is a natural leather. This is natural leather, guys. In actual, is so beautiful. O, diba? Hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng Louis Vuitton. At least, wala pang pangalan na parang nagmumura na, tingnan nyo yung bag ko, Louis Vuitton. Ganon. Pero ito lang. Simple lang, tahimik. Quiet. Ganda nito. Uy, Diyos ko, bilhin nyo to. Sa akin, binili ko to para sa akin, pero... Ay. So, yan ang ating bag. Ayan. And then, we have this one. It's a YSL traveling bag. And it's so light, guys. Oh, so light, as in so light talaga siya. Perfect talaga ito pang 7 kilos. So YSL, yeah. Zipper closure, and inside is so spacious. And then my pocket, may pocket siya sa harap. Ayan. Ayan yung pocket niya siya. Ayan. Tatlo. And then, ayan yung inside niya. Hindi ko na lang yung tatanggalin ko. Ayan yung inside. May pocket din dito. So, ayan yung inside niya. So that is our Gucci. Our Gucci, YSL. Just, oh my God, Gucci kasi yung paborito kong brand. So yeah. YSL. Ang linis. Mas malinis pa sa'yo. And then, magkana. And then, we have this one. And we have this one, guys. And we have this. Gucci. Oh my God. I was so surprised with this one because I didn't think that it was this big. So, yeah. Gucci Diana. And it comes with a dust bag. So, yan yung Gucci Diana. Bamboo handle. And button closure. And the inside is like that. Wait. So, yan yung siya. So, ganyan siya, guys. Diba? Yan. At least may idea kayo kung anong size siya. And then, we have a Loewe sunglass. It comes with a dust cloth. So this one is, the lens is color brown with a flower design on the side. This is perfect for summer. So yan siya. Diba? Opo nga ako. So yan yung ano natin. Ayan siya, guys. Yung ating ganda nito sa summer. Bongga. And then we have so that one is Loewe. And then we have a Hoya. Hoya ang brand nito. Choker siya na crystal. Comes with cards and ribbon. And that one. This one is not 18 carats, but doesn't tarnish, because if you can imagine, this has been long time from the owner, but look at, it's still gold, the hardware, still so shiny. So yeah. Tapos merong rhinestone sa gitna. Diba? So, ganyan siya. Yan. So, ganyan. Ganda nito. Hoya brand, Japan. And then we're going to proceed with our jewelries. Aray, kasakit ba? Okay, so maupo muna tayo, guys. Kasi yung jewelries natin. Okay. So we will start with this ring, guys. This ring, my God. This ring is so beautiful and it's so expensive. Okay, so this is the ring. Para siyang tri-band. So, yan yung dalawa. Ganda naman. Tapos, and then it comes with this one is already an owner. Comes with certification. Ganda nito as in. Super ang ganda niya. And then we have another ring. This is white gold with diamond butterfly motif. Tapos yung ano niya, butterfly niya is ganyan. Tapos may nakapalawit talaga yung diamond. So yan. Jewelries. Butterfly. Hoy, kasaba ba kayo sa? Uy, ko kala ibang ilawang ng Quranan. So yan yung ating ring. Ang ganda niya. And white gold. With diamond checkable. And then we have this one. Ay, ang sakit ng paa ko eh. Paano ba naman kasi na-exercise ako ng 2 araw ng 1 hour mahigit. So, we have a Gucci watch. Ayan, Gucci watch. White face. And then we have a pearl bangle. So yeah. Aray. So yan yung ating pearl bangle, guys. Hi. Pag nagsuot nito, hindi siya igaganon. Twist yan siya. Tapos saka ipasok yung wrist. Tapos this one is, wala po tong bakal. So, yeah. Yan ang ating bago. Ang ganda nito. And then, sa naghanap ng bangle, that is beautiful. And then we have a necklace times brooch. So, yung pendant nito is pwedeng brooch. Necklace siya, pero yung pendant niya is pwedeng gawing brooch. Yeah, clover with sapphire in the middle. Pwede yan gawing brooch. And then we have a ribbon necklace with ruby and diamond stone. Okay guys, so yun po yung mga jewelries and bags.